So ne yekosi san dwumedie no wasogu so a otie no yɛda mu nyina asese matwen yɛn ama yakɔ aba sɛde me kan de to manim no lawyer Andrew Japamesa atenase sanso na lawyer Sami Jemfi atenase wo studio ha ekosi san so ni ha yasem ha Ecobank sɛme mfanto manim sɛ there is some great news for sales and here na Ecobank the Ecobank Pay GHQR aba. Now, with this, there are no payment restrictions as we collaborate towards a common goal. As customers stay home, maintain social distance, and stay safe, do not worry. Ecobank Pay GHQR, Ebeboao, so a customer to make contactless payment from anywhere, in store or online, from any bank account, any bank card, any mobile money wallet using their phones safely and conveniently. In the way on your phone, ubetmetriaka ewo baby online, in store, or bank account or bank card, so mobile money wallet, ubetme and make payment or baby biara. Make the move today and reach more customers with the new Ecobank Pay GHQR. Ebia won't be a free Ecobank CCR 0302
on Asempa FM
213-999. And now see a 24/7 toll-free line 3225. Ecobank cares. Erikai. Ecobank, the Pan-African Bank. Prostate 16 so amount for Tiago so papa when the 40 years and above. Unya any of these experience will be how done a joa would so to so be brave. Pain in your lower back area. Will be a discomfort during urination to John so I would take your burning pain pa incomplete emptying of the bladder into John so we are still you feel say I was saying a John so bio Mesrel bomodine pan no a drone a prostate 60 100% natural herbal drug yashada aye Ediama pharmacists ni ubenya biato over the counter medicine and herbal shops ubenya biwato FDA agiato me patcho your pain for untime numbi o ma obenu for untime numbi 12 years and above unia untumi and numbi free 0246 490 116 now the Phytotech Limited in Incomo sounds na JL down kwa ede Citroless mixture in capsule abaye number 1 slimming medicine opesa wo so te why kese do lusu between 6 to 10 kilograms a month be pacho num Citroless mixture and capsules Malarigo mixture so malaria drew tatari 7 days treatment now your clinic e North Kanishi behind Amankwa Block Factory and a Kumaso so close to Lizzie Hotel ubehu JL Dankwa ewo ho ye well trained doctors from KNUST our mobile juma papa men Canada fibroid operations your specialty back no and all fertility problems oba ebeshow 0275 142 456 and sana memma lawyer Japamesa akwaba no me patcho so pass ase ato Tesak real estate ewa asase ma 5,000 Ghana cedis and 10,000 Ghana cedis ubenya asase ato 5,000 citizens asase no kaswa and a dodo one so 10,000 Ghana cedis we a promotion a ye se oba na wutua cash ema ya chew 5 bags of cement na ya san enter into a draw ubetimi win selling fans smartphones flat screen TVs decorative light and as a standing fans rush now for some of these unbeatable land deals ewo dodowa your number is 0540 886 496 0540 886 496 your office ewo Choco and I'll be on Tesak Real Estate ewo freshman capsules, fresh lady capsules, fresh cool capsules. Yeah, magic. Papa Benedine and Honam say freshman capsules. Yeah, recommended for male vitality and good urine flow. Fresh lady capsules. So yeah, ma edro for candidiasis, menstrual pains, menstrual disorders, and a low libido. And a fresh cool capsules. And so for piles, waist pains, and general body pains. Wedro and no. Baby a tone ruby obenya biato one Sasem Pharmaceuticals ninkomo 0243 559 319 0243 559 319 lawyer Andrew Ejapamesa apom to them
aduma kwa me chain
okoye
oko correct basa
vembo wa
ebe wala hwa
ground ye
obi
sure
mintia wetefu kanka wetefu sekune na non coding na anybody na code mo join the second 11 wise for
why then
inauguration of one new management no launching of some policy document
okay
but I was sick for a week.
Wow.
one in the damn time user.
Yeah.
It's important at all times to go for refueling. And the ended in front of them mucho in our bankrana. Banambo Bomone, Yami Aduma Ibia, China or Chinich and Masamako. I wish a wise for well.
You could see saying on a simple
Baum is yet our nature, Papa, the Mara Cobnan Catiano in Nempe Fina, Walshian Football Club or Sekunino. Yatown nature, na Jumizibia was Biano so. When you sum there, Oboko Jojo. Background today, Obi. Nature, Ghana Funa, why I want to know that?
Them?
A bay.
Why a monitor Jane na no pokwa prof na John Mahama can be a monitor.
Na enche Ghana crew mahano political party be on the base.
Oh yes, that's true.
And this kwa pro na u base we to punkumegu we bogu kalu kwem. Na se wobo sia. On the day you can only tickle yourself. Ewa. But it's send form. Now, me send form, me community engagement. Nkofu libisa questions on financial sector cleanup. Na no kaka government policies are yeye na ni impact the big agenda ye roll out. Ghana for 2016 or ye juma. I bia jimu dasi. The Ori Juma Sampara challenges war, but you commit there going forward. No, be a new also a winning team. And see, yeah, consolidate gains are in free SHS, 1 district, 1 factory, 1 million per constituency, planting for food and jobs. Agenda 111, comprehensive plan, formalization of the Ghanaian economy. Yen digitization agenda, or Ghana Kada, ye issue, Ama, Sisi, and almost everybody. Up there, Okotronism be more identified as a Ghanaian. Watronism. There's no doubt that the policies of the New Patriotic Party is working. And importantly, exposing the atro and recycled, unfulfilled promises in the past. Plus, commitments are abandoned. Minorike se kwa washa sorry ayeni anum ndisifu wa boxing up into one document was it the proposal na kebi obi bese last week asro sem Mrs. Segure sekunda nje ndis one running mate
yes
Professor Jane Nano Poko Ajima no
second ekusi say
na Sekure gom na oko promise Sekure gom for the Ego Musa why say Nyame ya dom na watu man na say watu mendis na oba abe ego ni
so won to me nyai
na enya won on launch one manifesto ni the ya
yes
big pushy was a walk around the whole Ghana work the input of stakeholders and stakeholders one demands request. Na wana kasa watro without to book our presenter ma stakeholders no
yeah
wanko segune
why
wanko segune
market oni manifesto ni there will be a segune market
the big push page 89 one list under the big push the next NDC government with point 10 engineer and construct major markets starting with Aflao Mankesim Techiman, Kintampo, Sampa, Elubo, Nima, Madina, na Asasiwa. Sekune nyim. So question me be saying there na mama me madam ne na Jane na Jane Opoku I'm confused because I'm you start with English and Fantana but you more 10 wine na Jane. Ejin dem bia wo kwofo ambesekuna wo manifesto committee wo ambesekuna Masekune for one embedding Kitamude Yenugo here. My launch manifesto on the 7th of September. Ebesekune a week after. Manifesto commitment echo round the whole Ghana. Echo soliciting for one input at the Troy. Sekune for one of those who name the title on and capture. Nebe bendo one a week after. 10 days after. ebo promise when there be secret market na jinjemia na enye ye na no man this van wo fi power only 3.5 years ago ya and wo fi power na secret gom no papa and they didn't see it obi and we at the time it wasn't the need.
It is just another promise away.
Sakawa na manifesto on ya juju and tricks and good no ma.
But on your BB ebe promise there ebe ye no obe manifesto.
Obi metwase me no ya agenda do. In fact eba ban mu kra emerging challenges bi botum.
Waba. Yeah.
Or the address. But this is a party that is telling us I mean now
on Asempa
they walk around the whole Ghana, the nook and cranny of the entire country. Let me be said there. Them stakeholder engagements that were no one besekuna. Because if indeed say besekune, who regional communications officer Dunkirk Mesa otisekune, monyim there sekune goy or ye extremely important to the people of Sekendi. Inti one capture one manifesto ma one unwazy. Now you see,
but why that I want 1 year? You promised to do it. Didn't
yes,
you?
It's part of the Sekendi Takrade market redevelopment. I don't know His Excellency the Vice President Obe Bakati sought for
market cycle in Takrade.
Obon the phase 2 is Sekendi. Minim the finance ministry, no local government ministry, would do uncommon necessarily. Sanyame Aduma 2021 secret marketing will be done. But what today and see just so that I want so many biaka and see also when it's not in their manifesto. The manifesto the push it also over 4 years old. It's 4 years the market our list to grow 1 year we are. The secret don't even know about it's a catch on you do and tricks.
Now saying lawyer Andre Japame.
There was a candidate Mahama
mobile. Don't worry. Mobile. You can see saying higher Asempa FM at 12:46 p.m. Former President Mahama, the official Twitter handle, a tweet. You say, I am cutting short my tour of the Bono region to return to Accra because of the increasing reports of challenges with the voter register and the exhibition process. We would address a major press conference on the issues in due course. That's at JD Mahama.
And the press conference.
Elvis free anchor.
Mr. Mahama, former President Mahama, also baby.
I don't know, but I don't know.
Campaign on
No. Let me appreciate why this tweet and then
more reason. No,
don't worry. Same akwaba na pom to saying.
Obi, nyame de ache.
Nana who Bono region ni hobby ana.
Went to me FM.
Okay. But where from tweet way are they?
So what the kind? I think that is a major
subject, yes.
Mame so me nye ma proper kwem. Ti said the lawyer Mesa for 10 to 15 minutes ni. Why na proper kwem. And some the about main subject ni so. Obi onyame de ache.
Okay.
Odin wo ho. Yura John Dramani Mahama through the People's Manifesto for Afiwe Abatono. At the end that swamapa and I break Ghana for. And it's in the Ghana baby abefe biano. The nipa do na can say ya wa ho kire ne ahu hie mu die.
Asempa
enye ma nko yie die. O mampenye akufu ado amamu no nko yie die. But ye we need that so say emrepa beba enye ma besesa. Ama impuntu nyuma wura. The nation builder. Obema obre ne ho ase. Na usuru nyame na oka no kre na wani suade hunu papa enima mamuo ewo temane abada ya aba bedi o man so ama ye hu puntu obiem ama ye hu nwuma biem nti obi enidaso ewo ho yakọ rounds
on Asempa FM
baby abefa bia no mframa ebo no ye mframa e kire se Ghana for ehwehwe nsesa because of insemwa maboboso no hyia Ghana mabuno a obi eka adwuma asem se dada nnwuma animonyam hye wom a omampenye Akufo-Addo be pra konwa o hye ebo se yeto abama na obi kriti no mo ba ye omu hu ye rather no uhu nipa pia na ansana omampenye Akufo-Addo aban we beba no mo wo mu nnwuma ene aban ne nhyehyɛ ye bɔ ne nti nnwuma bebriba aban na gu ne nti omunyuma agu no manu adwane abomo. You meet these people in their hundreds and thousands. And omunyina twense John Dramani Mahama beba. No de ne adwuma panhyehyɛ. The policy to create a minimum of 1 million jobs within 4 years ne beba. No menya adwuma pa ye dada adwuma. Aketu tare ho no sombo a obubitumi di abobra. Obi Ghana for do na wuhye omo asem foforo mo kan se atro ne nada amamuo no Mampenye Akufo-Addo bu no adoso ne bohye bebre ba o hye ye ni nyina no
ekosi sen on Asempa FM
bia miduru wa na mabisa o Mampenye Akufo-Addo hyebo se yeto abama no obeye one district one market me pa cho mo saka mo market ana o se dabi o Mampenye Akufo-Addo hyebo se yeto abama no a obeye one district one hospital monsaka mo hospital ana omusi debi because no kwasem ne say in almost 4 years in yaban we in see district hospital ba kokra na campus why regional hospital or teaching hospital making it aban edi kan wogana bakosem a unsi hospital ba kokra yet omanya sika chen aban bia ubisa say one region one theater starting from Takrade in the second D mu theater we omusi yenyae $1 million per constituency. Musaka mo $4 million ana almost debi. One district, one factory. Musaka mo factory ana almost debi. One village, one dam. Musaka dam papa modi ye kuya almost debi. Boshe wonen sem da ban ne kadiji tumi ni nyina no. Ene ye hu. Omo be pe tumi. Mampenye Akufo-Addo gina simpie so a. Ose Ghana for ya mobododo. Ghana for ya mobododo. Ye tisika so come there. And they would fa Ghana ha nyina na ubisa Ghana for say mame ya na. Omo say e come dey change. Emra no Mampenye Akufo-Addo kasa no. And then wa na president Mahama teso na wo se ho kire no. Say wa ho kire no e monta abo ahenasa triplets. Obi apart from nyumaguo, apart from bosha kese aban ne hye ya onni so. Aho kire wo man ni mo obi anya asem ketwa ene hwe internet so farmer kufusu breweries companies media organizations crowd bobo the cost of doing business akosura ma businessmen komu bu enye ma bo awodwa so waye den pasa aduane kwa na kodwomu a sika na wuyi ni 20cc etimi di dwama abusu ene nyina wuyi enuru ba bia say ye bode say ye banche say ye bayere say ye mo say ye anwa say ye de bibia bo akosoro say hwi ena Ghana for bre a driver for soon a nurse for what strike midwife for what strike a teacher for soon adwuma for why ho bambo nyuma yekobu nyina ni atete obi ahu de wonye
Asempa
mamu oni nyina da ne kokufu bobo onua ni mu ayempa so nipa kakra bi pe omo wa aban mu a omo ye Mampenye abusuafo ne namfofo mu ne edide e na ato omo ne katahyehe ne proye ne sikaseye ti ministers 125 presidential staffers of Mampenye ne omo ye adwuma won office bi nsi da ebro pem e na o se Ghana sika won so e na nye PDS e na omo afa ye ECG ye ne basa AD sika e ye japa e na omo pese ye gold royalties omo ye ne basa. Scandal upon scandal. Scandal. It's Ghana for baby says, hey, Mampenye no can say I will not run a family and friends government. It's only. Mampenye no can say boy yesika ho ban no I will protect the public person. It's only. Ya ton ya color TV John Mahama akoto black and white enye dwuma. Na de twa manfo nsuru kura obi ukana ni so adura manfo de say. Mampenye Akufo-Addo betena konwa so na Ghana ye ka ye de efiri Kwame Nkrumah penso besi John Mahama penso 120 billion ka hunsem sa doso dodo na Mahama ye kwadwofo bobosia dodo na Ghana sika wa ha ye tisika so yakom de eni se ye bobosia enti o shebo say he will reduce borrowing bete bosia boso economic growth body or promise a double-digit economic growth for 4 years. So I will reduce the cost of doing business. I will move the country from taxation to production.
FM.
Obi and I can 120 billion about from one and they drew 258 billion. You know quantity abeka ho e 140 billion. And so we see secondary school back okra. We see airport back okra. We see ayaresabia say district hospital and regional hospital, teaching hospital onye back okra. Sikani nyina oncheni United ayene basa. Enti Ghana fo enie tutu akomu semu a. Omo hwe se omo benya mpanyimfo a omo wani swade hunu papa ni mamamuo wotema. No ma ye bi da. No ma ba betototo nyeme ye. Enti e no hwe okada fo aye nigye. Because His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ye ba ama okada no ye de mra beta ye chire ne regulate ama na ye kama. Na timi abo ama o man na kodani. Ene obi businessmen at Yasemde, Omuni say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ba ama wa wo de commercial car eba Ghana bia say wo de be ye trotro say ya anwa car say ya articulator untua import duty President Mahama ban so de chow free afidie bia na car bia wo de ba be ye kua anan fidi djuma bia so untua import duty ye de chow free bojo djuma ketua bia wo Ghana ha bia President Mahama ba na corporate income tax afi bia ban we je wo na ye hu de ode ye no o so de chow won faso ho na fa hye wadwuma nim na nya kese no wetima fa Ghana memo ane baba wadwuma ye medium scale enterprise ye beti corporate income tax so obi ensemde we ye ma mene ye papa no Ghana fo a omuni health insurance scheme card omo obi no kura no afeso omu ntimi renew omo renew omo de no so ko hospital a health insurance ni nya dwuma malaria kura ye se nkova koto aduro ne de keka won and obi ati asem the why because of free primary health care President Mahama Deba Ghana ni bia wo kidney problem wo cancer problem and obi wo yare we bi wo wabusuam enne wani age wanya ni da so because e bin si da sa obi atimi adadwe ho te se de John Mahama ayi se mebeye kidney and cancer disease trust fund na obi a wo yare ni bibia no ye de sika e de aboa wo private schools for ebosi eni da so aba free SHS ne so ye beka ho bi awofo a double track ha wo mo na nu nti obo boka wo classes fees ho omani agi because double track no John Mahama aban ba be ye fi ho omo ye tertiary institutions obi me say your college of education say your polytechnic say your university for be able say next year John Mahama ba your school fees no chimpe or 50% na yes we have 50% and the GSM bebre na ba na ene de me de be sini me ra ho ama honorable MP for second D me ra ho. And you see, I am a second D for
on Asempa FM.
Omo MP on money home modensa. Now I sound so better radio so on to mean can ye made him punto be second D for. Ya. Mean free but ya. This is the member of parliament or Kotna, a big show like Star Chat with Bolari. Near Bisan say can ye back up will be the MP why am I for one crowd went to Yankabi. I say expansion of Takrade Port Phase 2. Una we MP adwuma no. Expansion of Takrade Port Phase 2 a President Mahama ne pe musika ye start ye enye ne. Eno ne wo record. Wentimi anka hwe a wetimi aye no wo krom. Na fe aban ye hyebo say ye baba be ye secondary fo dwa. O se de eni ye manifesto mu. Obi. We will build 200 community days in your high schools. Our manifesto. Check our 2012 manifesto. Here find a basic community days in your high schools. It is not there. But we built 46. One can say where you are not saying, yeah, be a buying person or yen a bit me a manifesto manameboa. Masa, Menoka say, Dr. Bawumia Oku Slimnancy on 1st September 2020. In fact, it was before September 2020. Or Shebo say, Omo ba no maba be military airstrip. Normal sans wa establish satellite campus of UDS ewo yendi. To mo be military airstrip a plane betimi akọ yendi. Normal sans wa satellite UDS for satellite campus ewo yendi. Ewo manifesto. O kan yendi.
Okay.
I can give you so many examples Obi.
May I not say?
I'm concluding on the second issue. The point I'm making here is say ye gain second D for. The guy ye MP anya ofede. enti oba tampa professor na Jane Opoku Agyeman yakọ ho no wa hye dwomfo mayi ne adwadifo ibo se ye ba ne abeye dwana wo kura ne ka ye wani gsm wo betena konya so 4 years ni da bia oti asempa ha dwa kura wonti bi mpiri bi ma nkrofo ye kan se afa ni aye short cutting ye phase 2 onfere 4 years ni dwa we a mo share boss nka mo besin Obi was reminding you can't even tell your people they are waiting here even on the floor of parliament. That ben waiting here so they agina on aso aka ho asem.
Okay,
so you have failed. And yeah children you be so dey dwa so dey you say boss you be ya. You be here because our record is there for everybody to see who make it here. Ne ketwa ne be CSC secondary. It is a one part the permanent secondary for a me bongu. Mame na say
I think it's only fair there.
What is fair? What is only fair?
It's only fair there.
We are proper.
Dama secondary for yes we call Star Chat.
One-on-one interview.
Dominic Same Fit.
What's some man slot? What will be our school our exams are
full here. Star Chat. And two man can one project in Pai.
Yeah. Say a second year application for na mo
Manen kasa wi why o kasa wi a Manen your friend is exhibition in some let him finish lawyer what you tell you couldn't list one even one project
and then can flag bearer also man ko number correction flu
no they don't know what
he says that they should give him an opportunity to come and correct his mistakes.
So when Bolare
project I was second I be
I was the payoa I was the part on Kasa. I will move to studio here because I want to catch them new pictures of Adiambra AstroTurf. I will lay AstroTurf no ma almost complete. And
yes, I've seen those.
On my project no. Hey, Bolare asked me a specific question. Yeah, look, say what green me wa oba. Na it's an interview now. What it is that I was driving at. I don't see mundane. Oh, chairman, please.
No, Sammy Manunkasa, why me pacho? Let me finish. Let me control my show. Why, Mr.
Obi,
so you come back to me.
You would have your time. Don't worry.
Kwekuma Township, from the very inception of that town to date, when you wrote that, Barbredo, 10.2 kilometers of roads. Kwekuma, Adiambra, Bakechi, Paris Square. But on the real, me sitting here, do I see that as my legacy? That was the issue on Bolawere new program. That what would you consider as a legacy? Dachi, if he ho as MPA, ebepe de sekune for the back. Then I mentioned the port expansion. That what my vision for Sekendi would be is to have the port expansion that we've proposed from Takrady to Sekendi Naval Base. As far as I'm concerned, I'm not there sekune for the back. But all about the classroom blocks, na boreholes, na community centers, na it's replete across the constituency. It's another answer na me be medebamo. It's my vision that Bolare wanted to elicit from me, and I told him that mon consider the mundane project MPBR necessarily as achievements, and so I will not answer that question. And as a media waka cut them part of the tape no, and I walk bash on social media. But it's always good to attack the messenger and not the message. And to me, these things doesn't worry me at all. And one of secret, when you make Juma Yedi or Nkotompo Community Center, where the roofing level. Ekwasi Community Center, Woguda Woye Wejuma, as we speak. Adiambra for one chip compounder, as we speak. Gidi. Methodist Park AstroTurf. No, Adiambra AstroTurf. Walankasa, who pictures on social media. It's not for me to say. The people know. They live with it. Now, Obi, Sekure market is some fee. Shamelessly, Otnaha or Kawasemi.
Obi, are you going to make this program about Sekure?
Yeah. Oh, you attack me personally.
Merland.
mankade manifesto commitments nkotin na ban oye mamai peme expose uni de e ka kira Ghana fo de e kwa apro e na ejiji nkofo won views na de to manifesto na biso de sekuna na nkowa. You didn't go to secondary when you were doing your people's consultation. And how do you know obedient question will be sending? Such that say our Ajunepa was sekune only 7 days earlier in the launch manifesto in the listed market per day. Abandon in a business secret for your name. After you have put the list of the markets that you want to do, you listed it.
Okay.
Now who green book one publisher what's the BBA Osi Wagana ha
FM.
within the 8 years of the NDC oh yeah John Mahama legacy where he raised the Professor Moss legacy completely from the history books of this country. One publishing including University of Ghana Medical Center Professor Moss Okwa Kapenunguska or the Beba Stati. What's Mahama no ye?
Ekusi saying on
You
Asempa
publish your manifesto. So I'm putting you to task that
Okay.
if you were indeed committed to Sekune Fa, Sekune Market no deserve pride of place to be amongst your priority projects for market. So it's a trick. That's the point.
No, I mean,
Nobody mama yada. Sami defi. Oh, I don't want to mark to the papa.
You see, the fact is say, you can say your people's manifesto. Now the chairman say you call Ghana for now so, ekuti omo how, ekuti omo bisa de, omo koma swa de, and you jina so the chair manifesto na. No chere Ghana for how I see you na our manifesto. I mean, sometimes, your argument you be who's a way there, as I'm not working a womb. And I toss you. There is no document in the world, not even Encyclopedia Britannica, Kakrakapane woman. A broad consultative process like what we went through during the drafting of the People's Manifesto. No? Adwenkyerɛ ba ye nyina betinya ye den akom
Ekusi saying on Asempa FM.
nti ye wonyema bebre wo hɔ a ye start say ye kyerɛkyerɛ policies ni mu a na ye den e ba bonte but enya bibia e na wo manifesto ni mu
Okay.
ana tu me pato wakasa o kasa na ma ye ko
mo fa na no nsi ye
me pato me ba
You did worse.
me pato dia to so
la
bi
oye
dia to so bi wan kasa wagye ato mu sɛ eni sɛ bibi hye wo manifesto mu ansa na why in any case momo de share mo manifesto mo se mo besi bia no why onye if you are accusing us say ya kase ye be ye bibia ni ye manifesto mu a wo de ye worse because metinya kyerɛw enyema burudu a mo launch mo manifesto wie Dr. Bawomi akwa gina simpi so aka ho asem but any mo manifesto
Okay.
both 2016 and oni o mampenya Kufuor nyina so what is the point the here secondary for what de share o manfo a wo gyina o manim omunamu wo mrahye bedwam ni so omu hia dwa wabanya bedi akonwa mfie nan ni mwanya sika chen aban bi 370 billion epia kora mo ntimi ansi
you've made that point.
Let me conclude the skill say bolare question no bisa me na ya about legacy enye projects am I mean where is semantics
but he's mentioned this
in
project.
the video
you doubt them.
the Osia here legacy no Takoradi port expansion there no new fan that project doesn't know anything about Mesa and he doesn't know anything about it there no new fan
Mame na say ekosi saying so na high Asempa FM the banter no too much mama menye me funeral announcement we na maba please you've made your point please. No, don't do that. You've made your point. The President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, Right Honorable Professor Mike Aaron Okwe, the Speaker of Parliament, Honorable, he's the Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Freeman Osei Opare, Chief of Staff of the Republic of Ghana, the Most Reverend Dr. Paul Kwabena Boafo, the Presiding Bishop of the Methodist Church of Ghana, the Right Reverend Michael A. Bosman, the Administrative Bishop of the Methodist Church of Ghana, Mr. Clement Kwesi Botwe, Lay President of the Methodist Church of Ghana, The Right Reverend Professor Joseph M.Y. Edusa Eisen, Bishop of the Northern Accra Diocese of the Methodist Church of Ghana, Dr. Paul Opoku Mensah, CEO, National Cathedral, Reverend Kusi Boateng, Executive Secretary to the Board of Trustees of the National Cathedral, Mr. Freddie Blay, Chairman of the NPP, John Boedu, General Secretary of the NPP, Hackman Uswajiman, Chairman of the Council of Elders of the NPP, and Honorable Yao Boabia Samoa, MP Adentan Constituency, Ebusuya Penny Bafo Edukuma of Mosiaso, Oba Penny Esther Edu Intiamwa, Madame Theresa Ekiaba, brothers and sisters, Emmanuel Boachi Enchi, Daniel Osei Enchi, Lydia Enchi, Benjamin Enin Enchi, Martin Eyimedu, brothers and sisters, John Asante Boache, father, and the entire Asona family of Mosiaso, Kaseim, Joabin Diase, Mrs. Comfort Asante Enchi, and children announce, with the hope of the resurrection, the passing into glory of their beloved, the Most Reverend Dr. Samuel Asante Enchi, first presiding bishop of the Methodist Church Ghana and chairman of the Board of Trustees of the National Cathedral, which occurred at the Kolebu Teaching Hospital on Sunday, 13 September 2020. 1 week observance has been scheduled as follows. Date, Wednesday, 23rd September 2020. Venue, Ebenezer Methodist Cathedral, Medina, Accra. Time, 8 a.m. Family gathering, Amrahia School Park at 10 a.m. Attire is black and white. All friends and sympathizers are cordially invited. All COVID-19 protocols will be observed in the Monshan and so. Mamemfa wins win trim se self line. Connecting you to the heart of those you care about during these times mean a lot to us. With Surfline's internet, you can be productive while working or studying from home. Even if you live at the outskirts of Accra, our newly introduced Air Fiber device will help you connect to a Surfline network more than 10 kilometers away with no stress. Just dial star 718 star 77 hash or star 389 hash or star 365 hash to recharge your Surfline account with your mobile money wallet. And you can also use ExpressPay, SlidePay, and Haptel mobile applications to recharge and stay connected during this period. Call 0302 745 777 0302 745 777 for your Surfline Air Fiber device now. Surfline, it's about time. Unim se Consolidated Bank of Ghana, Trinity friend CBG, and so said there is nothing impossible in these trying times. CBG said ene u fie u office file phone dial star 924 hash star 924 hash and follow the prompt. You are good to go. Ubetimi aye all your banking transactions. It's now the new normal. To use your phone, star 924 hash and you follow the prompt. You can check your account balance, you can pay your bills, you can transfer money from your account, and all of that on your phone. Very, very easy. Yeah, ATMs, Juma, all our electronic platforms, that's so Juma. Opesa branches and so all our branches are opened, and we are poised to serve you with first-class customer service. If you need in-branch service, you amount. Ubitma Frey CBG line in 0302 216 000 0302 216 000. National so my CBG. Also we stand with you. Mamin Kai mo say mene lawyer Sami Jemfina lawyer Andre Japamesa etna se akwa kopem 5:30 p.m. at 5:30 pepe you be call the College of Academy of Arts and Sciences. Now, any information ministry did you maybe from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. To me in the motion and so on. Yeba beka voter exhibition and matters arising. At the own voter exhibition in the view.